Hello, friends. Today we're playing a feelings game. I'll show you a clue. Then you try to guess the feeling. Are you ready? Let's begin. This little bunny is smiling. She just finished a picture she worked very hard on. How do you think she feels? 3, 2, 1. She feels proud. Proud means feeling good about something you worked hard to do. This little bear is at the playground. He is swinging high in the sky and laughing with his friends. How do you think he feels? 3, 2, 1. He feels happy. Happy is a warm feeling we get when something good happens. This little fox just woke up. Today is her birthday. She can't wait to celebrate. How do you think she feels? Answer: excited. Excited means something fun is about to happen. This little mouse is about to meet a new class. His tummy feels a little fluttery. How does he feel? 3, 2, 1. Nervous. Nervous means feeling unsure about something new. This little raccoon has tried to build a block tower 3 times. It keeps falling over. How does she feel? 3, 2, 1. Frustrated. Frustrated means something isn't working the way we want. This little deer is sitting quietly under a tree. The breeze is soft. Everything feels peaceful. How does she feel? 3, 2, 1. Calm. Calm feels peaceful and relaxed. This little bunny dropped her ice cream. Now she looks a little down. How does she feel? 3, 2, 1. Sad. Sad is a feeling we have when something disappointing happens. This little lion is trying the big slide for the very first time. He feels nervous but decides to try. How does he feel? 3, 2, 1. Brave. Brave means doing something even when it feels a little scary. This little duck opened a box. Inside was something she never expected. How does she feel? 3, 2, 1. Surprised. Surprised is how we feel when something unexpected happens. This little squirrel can't find his favorite acorn. He keeps looking everywhere. How does he feel? 3, 2, 1. Worried. Worried means thinking something might not be okay.